call back to either verify or not if the vendor is blocking me after I called about the same event every 3 times. Let's see. What you want best? Thank you for verification of block calls due to same recurring problem that you stick your head in the sand, and also illustrating criminal negligence for the umpteenth